maik back, maik back, maik, maik backer, maik backer, maik backer, yeah, yeah, maik backer, maik backer, maik backer.
Hi, Mike. I got a call from my friend, Jeffrey Epstein. Great guy, great babysitter. He wants to wish you a happy birthday and lots of love. And Mike Baker, the Jews killed my dog. In fact, my wife.
Mike Back, happy birthday. Time and the world do not stand still. Change is the law of life, and those who look only to the past or the present are certain to miss the future. I said, are certain to miss the future. Conyo, I missed that. Prime Minister Castro, this missile crisis was the last straw. We almost blew ourselves up. Now, we invited you here in good faith, to sort this thing out. And why is he here? He lost. As I always say, forgive your enemies, but remember their names. Now, as I like to think, in the long history of the world, there are only a few generations. Sounds like someone breaking in. Just the storm digs it down. Mike Back, happy birthday.